Welcome to Decent Channel. Cross-border communication builds trust, and face-to-face cooperation witnesses quality. Therefore, Decent Machinery traveled across borders to visit overseas clients in Thailand, conducting in-depth offline communication and exchanges. During the communication, we fully understood the actual operation demands of the customer's terminal factory. The client's end-user factory is large-scale, with rigorous standards for the performance, stability, and quality of industrial ventilation equipment, adhering to exquisite craftsmanship and stable performance. Decent Machinery's fans are widely applicable to various industrial ventilation scenarios, perfectly meeting the high standard production needs of large factories. The customer spoke highly of our product quality, professional service, and rigorous corporate attitude, and expressed full trust in long-term in-depth cooperation with Decent Machinery.
You introduce your company first?
Yes, we are EDC in Thailand, engineering, procurement, and construction in Thailand.
So how about Decent Machinery? How about your feeling?
As I contact with any decent machinery, she have a good support, quick proposal. Every technical is quite good product. About the factory of Decent, quite big factory and quality under the production. Every part of the equipment is quite good. So we hope to work together with Decent in the future.
Decent Machinery always adheres to customer-oriented service, focuses on high-quality industrial machinery products, and strives to create maximum value for every global partner.